Using your TWIC card for TSA Precheck is a convenient way to expedite your security screening process at airports. To get started, you need to understand what a TWIC card is and how it relates to TSA Precheck. A TWIC card is a Transportation Worker Identification Credential, which is a security clearance card issued by the Transportation Security Administration to workers who need to access secure areas of transportation facilities. To use your TWIC card for TSA Precheck, you need to add your TWIC card information to your airline reservation or to a trusted traveler programs such as TSA Precheck or Global Entry. You can do this by visiting the TSA website and following the prompts to add your TWIC card information to your profile. When you arrive at the airport, proceed to the TSA Precheck lane and present your TWIC card along with your boarding pass. The TSA officer will scan your TWIC card and verify your identity. Once your identity is verified, you will be allowed to pass through the security checkpoint without removing your shoes, belts, or laptops from your bag. It is essential to note that not all airports participate in the TSA Precheck program, so you need to check with your airline or the TSA website to confirm that the airport you are traveling to participates in the program. Additionally, you need to ensure that your TWIC card is valid and not expired, as an expired card will not be accepted for TSA Precheck. In summary, using your TWIC card for TSA Precheck is a straightforward process that can save you time and hassle when going through airport security. By following the steps outlined above and ensuring that your TWIC card is valid and linked to your airline reservation or trusted traveler program, you can take advantage of expedited security screening and get to your gate faster.